So happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Greg Dixon with Bonnie Dixon. And Bonnie and I are both brand ambassadors for LifeWave technology. It's a range of products. And we have a number of healthcare professionals on our team, including doctors, nurses, um,
Dentists,
dentists, chiropractors,
naturopaths,
naturopaths, all that kind of thing.
MDs.
Yeah.
One of the exciting ones is pharmacists.
And pharmacists too. Yes.
Mhm.
So we have had great experience with us and sort of some friends and family and people who've been trying that have had really good results. But our theme today is talking about is how they can help dentists and their patients. So maybe you want to elaborate on that, Bonnie?
Yes, one of the things that dentists deal with are stressed out patients, and they can be anxious or worried. They're fearful coming in to see them, and some of the wearable light technology that we have is super helpful for reducing stress. And I think that it's for people who don't want to take over the counter NSAIDs. This is a great alternative. And it's very helpful because it's so immediate. A patient could come in and have the dentist, if they offer it and have it in the office, they can have an additional income stream because they can offer that reducing stress wearable technology, and within minutes people go, they're relaxing. And then after the procedure, a lot of times it can be a little sore, if you're even if you're getting your teeth cleaned, much less any procedure. And some of the light technology is really helpful to prevent hurting afterwards. And I think that's one of the things, again, for people who want that immediacy of help and without having to orally ingest something that has to go through their liver. This does not cause any harm, and you just place it on the patient, and the patient's usually very, very happy. And the patient wears it for 12 hours on and 12 hours off. So if they have it in the morning procedure, then they can wear it till that evening. If they wear it in the evening, or if it's later in the evening, they could wear it till the next morning when they get up. It is very helpful. And they can even buy more from you for additional days, or you can they can offer to help them get an automatic shipment. And what that does for the dentist is exciting. What that means is a person usually comes to a dentist every 4 to 6 months, unless there's an emergency. So you only get that income, maybe 2, 3 times a year. If they like these products that you've offered them, they can purchase them monthly. So now you have 12 times a year where a client is doing business with you. And I think that's pretty exciting. And here's the other reason why you want that. Dentists and professionals, especially solopreneur healthcare professionals, if they're running a clinic on their own, say you're a chiropractor or a naturopath dentist. My own dentist that's all she does is just dentistry, and nobody else is in the office. If something were to happen to the dentist, their income would stop. And I personally experienced that with a former partner. It was devastating. Income stopped and life changed. So, if you have multiple streams of income, then that can be very, very helpful for the dentist. So, not only are you helping your clients, but you're helping yourself. And the clients themselves often will say, I need that product year round. And so now you've got multiple streams of income, ongoing income, even if they move away. That's another really cool thing for dentists. But back to helping the client. The client often, when they're more relaxed and they're not so stressed out, they'll view the dentist as the best dentist ever. And so I encourage every dentist out there, especially the high end dentists, to have this available because it is modern technology using ancient wisdom. And again, it's actually approved by the Anti-Doping Agency. So it can be used in sports as well, if someone were to do sports. But for the dentists themselves, this is a viable, uh, um, value added product for their clinic that helps the client and helps the dentist. And so, with that, I probably should hush up here.
Yeah. Well,
I get very excited about it.
yeah, I guess the next thing is, what's the next step? Should people contact you?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely contact me. We can probably have that down in the chat, how to
Yeah,
contact
I
me.
actually put it out. I posted your link to your calendar
Okay.
down in the comments section, so people can link
Mhm,
on that. And
mhm,
yeah, if you're watching this, there's a little QR code on where it got posted on social media, LinkedIn and Facebook, and you could point your camera to that QR code and go make an appointment with Bonnie.
mhm. I
And
look
also,
forward to meeting you.
and she's available on LinkedIn. You may already be connected, or you can reach out
Mhm.
to me. I'm connected on LinkedIn, and chances are you're watching this because you're connected to me on LinkedIn.
Right. And by the way, it's dentists around the world. This particular wearable light technology is available in 80 countries.
80
And
countries.
it, in 80 countries. And I tell you this, it is very, very popular in Asia because they understand the value of, well, in a sense, it's like needleless acupuncture. So, but there's nothing else like it. It's patented. So it's perfect for a clinic because they'll be able to easily share it with their clients and just as an offering. It's always good to have a little more than the next guy, and if you were to offer and save that client the stress of coming in for the dentist, and also any if they're aching or feeling like it might hurt, they can preemptively put it on. That's another thing. It's
Yeah,
very cool. So all I can tell you is the biggest thing for any business is to be a little better, a little different than the
yeah.
rest, stand out from the crowd.
Yeah, yeah. One of my favorite patches is the yawn patch, which is definitely calming. So that could be helpful in going
Mhm.
to see a
That's
dentist.
the
Or
one I would recommend for
yeah,
a stressed out client,
yeah,
or maybe one that's it's really hurting when they first come in. That patch alone, their little patches that you put on, uh, could in minutes calm the person. And when you're calmer, you don't hurt as much. It's an interesting phenomena. And so that one's super great. And then we have another one called Ice Wave. And that one just put on the temples or on the jaw. Wow. People just really rave about it because they're like, wow, it didn't even phase me going to the dentist. I felt great.
yeah.
You want that when a patient leaves your clinic. I felt great.
Yeah. One of my dentist clients calls it coward dentistry for people who want to take the gas in order to in
Yeah,
order to not
there's
be awake during the procedure.
right, and there's ramifications for everything, but this particular product and technology does not. If something doesn't agree with them, they just pull it off and it stops. It's that quick to
Yeah.
be used. It's so. With that, I just invite, especially your top end dentists, to make sure they have this in the clinic for their clients.
Okay. Fabulous. Okay, so we've got Bonnie's calendar link in the comments, and you can find us on Facebook and LinkedIn, and just reach out and we'll have a conversation.
Mhm. On Facebook, I'm Bonnie McDonald, but in LinkedIn, I'm Bonnie Dixon because I married this handsome man. That's
Very
handsome
good.
man. Let's see, I got to do it. Handsome man.
Yeah. All right. Happy Wednesday, everyone.
Happy Wednesday. Take care.